what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. To the ones who are new to my channel, I'm Astha and this is my channel. Please do hit the subscribe button, like every video on my channel and do share it to all the lovely people you know. मैं बहुत सोची कि मेरे को एग्जैक्टली करना क्या है मतलब नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तो मैंने बहुत फोकस लगाया अपना कि मैं क्या करूँ क्योंकि मेरे आइडियाज़ बहुत मतलब यू नो कम हो गए थे अभी के लिए. परसों रात सो रही थी तो मेरे को अचानक से एक वीडियो आया मेरे थिंग पे. तो उस पर मैंने देखा कि they were doing the assumption challenge and I was like, oh, that's like really interesting and I found it like really fun, so I thought why not this. I had put up like an Instagram story where like I told you guys to assume about me, you know, to make assumptions about me. So I got like many assumptions and thank you all for all those assumptions.
I mean, it was such a tiring day today. I woke up in the morning and I woke up at 6 a.m. and I did all the bartan, I did all the cleaning.
No, I didn't do anything. I woke up at like 12 and I had like my food and then I went for like a half an hour nap again. Wow! I don't know why was I so tired, for what reason. Okay, let's get started with the video. You are into fashion designing. I don't know why people think I'm into fashion designing, but no guys, I'm not into fashion designing. I'm into interior designing and I'm doing interior designing right now, so I'm not into fashion designing, but I love to stay like, you know, in the trend. Like I love wearing like the latest thing, whatever it is, like the fashion, whatever's going on. And you're a very lazy person, that's why you don't reply much. That's like a secret which is got. This whole assumption is 210% correct. I am very lazy. I don't do any work at home. I'm very lazy. Are a model or you're into modeling? अरे भाई नहीं, मतलब मेरी height, I'm really short. Okay, I'm really short. I'm like 5'3" or 5'4", I guess. So I'm like really short and I don't think modeling, no one would ever take me as a model. So I've never thought about it and I'm never going to think about it too, because I don't fit in any category of being a model. So yeah, it's just like funny because I'm really short. Social media made you an extrovert. Social media made me an extrovert. Okay, listen to this. The next video I'm planning to shoot is my story, so this question can be answered in that video because I think you'll understand me more better in that way, but as an answer for now, yes, social media did make me an extrovert. That you were in more than 3 relationships. No. Okay, are you into girls? I mean, no, I'm not into girls. I'm completely straight. You are very short-tempered. No, yeah, like, no. I get angry if like this particular thing is freaking me every time. You know, it's like मेरे को ऐसे गुस्सा नहीं आ जाता कि ओ अचानक से गुस्सा आ गया या फिर कुछ ऐसा. नहीं, मैं ऐसे नहीं हूँ कि तोड़ फोड़ दूँगी या फिर कुछ ऐसा. I'm a very calm person and that matter. But if like मेरे को अगर कुछ चीज़
बॉदर कर रही है और फिर से
बोलता है जिसे और फिर से बॉदर कर रही है तो I kind of get very pissed. But I'm also not the type of a person who likes to be left alone while they're angry. I kind of like the pampering during the angry phase because I think I get over it quicker. And if I'm left alone, I think I get more angry. मुझको ज़्यादा गुस्सा आ जाता है कि
why did he or she leave me alone? I'm I'm supposed to be angry, not you.
I assume कि तुम्हें बचपन से शादी करने का बड़ा शौक है. बहुत. I mean, I always मैं जब बचपन में मतलब not बचपन, even now यार, come on, this is my बचपन only. So like I was always like this kid who was dreaming about a marriage, being this royal wedding and everything. I like, with the one she loves, obviously. I like one thing which I really fantasize are the kalire which people wear on the wedding day. I really love kalires, and I think all of my best friends know this, that they always tell me that what they do they want to give me. They are like different kinds of kalires, because that's like, I mean, that's like one thing for me for marriage, and like I love kalires. So like I know you're gonna see me wearing kalires for my wedding. That's for sure, like for sure. Even if I don't marry any Punjabi.
I think it's only for Punjabis who wear kaliras, right? I'm not sure.
I assume that you like dinner. Acha, so no, I mean, I don't know why. Whenever I have a guy friend, people assume that I like him or I like them. No, I mean, when I make guy friends, they are my guy friends. That's it. I mean, none of my crushes were ever my friends. So they are just friends. And when I was like one of the closest friend, like we talk shit all the time. We really share like a really good friendship. I met him like in class 8 or 9, and he's like one of my closest guy friends. When I saw you for the first time, I thought you were a girl with lots of attitude, but when I got to know you, you were really sweet. Oh, that's really cute and that's really sweet. Thank you so much. Actually, I get this a lot, like a lot. People usually think that I'm this very like I'm the girl with like lots of attitude, like like very cunning look, like I give looks or give vibes or I don't know what. So I get this a lot. Like people are like
when I didn't talk to you now, I thought ki you were like this girl who would never talk only to anyone. You'd be like in this dog gang or something. I was like when they talk to me, I'm like this chatterbox who can talk like 24/7.
you smoke. That's like a question mark. I think that's a question. I don't know. Cause how can you be so sure? I don't smoke. I don't smoke anything. I don't smoke any kind of thing. I don't smoke. You're understanding and crazy, and I miss you, Asa. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, that's so sweet. Understanding and crazy. Understanding maybe, crazy for sure, but I miss you guys so much. I miss back my like JRS times a lot. You have a fixed diet plan which is a secret. Fixed diet plan? No, I don't. I mean, I don't have any secret, yeah. I'm telling you honestly, when I need to like lose weight, like if I need to lose weight before some event or something, all I do is not eat anything, and I know that's very unhealthy and I'm really sorry, but I do follow that because like मेरे को ऐसा होता है कि मैं कुछ भी खा लेती हूँ ना, तब मैं उस टाइम उस जोन में चली जाती हूँ कि हाँ मैं फिर से मोटी हो जाऊँगी, तो मैं वही करती हूँ कि मैं कुछ नहीं खाती हूँ. I live on fruits or something and then or water sometimes. I know it's very bad, but like yeah, I've stopped doing that. I'm like having lots of healthy food now. You seem to be a very friendly person and you have such a beautiful personality. Oh my god, that is so sweet of you. I mean, that's so sweet. Like I don't usually get such good comments, like such sweet comments. So it's like very sweet. Thank you so much. You were famous in your school. Till 10th grade, I was not famous at all. I mean, there were lots of famous people around me and I was not even there anywhere. I was a very antisocial person. I just ignore the background noise because I don't know why my parents keep on talking. I was famous. Like no one knew me. I was like this girl who would always sit in the corner and not really bother anyone much and not talk much and like be really antisocial. I was really weird when I was a kid. But like in high school, I started talking to people and I kind of got like a group of friends, like really good friends. Even back in school, I had friends, really close friends, like my best friends. But did that just happened? You have a photographer. I'm just 19 and I my brother clicks good pictures and the results are shown in like my account, but I don't have a photographer, neither am a model, nothing. I'm a very normal college girl. You are a cool person with lots of friends. Thank you so much. I do have lots of friends. I love making friends. I love talking to new people every time, and like it's just like I love socializing and everything. Cool person, I don't really know, but yeah, I think the person who tells that knows me more, and I value each one of my friends because they have come. Different people have come at different phases of my life, and that like really means a lot to me. And whoever has stayed by my side throughout, I love those people. Like they mean everything to me. So my assumption is that you're a Tamilian. Okay. So like when I meet different people, I get this quite a lot. Not Tamilian, but I get like this, like different things. Someone tells me you look like Marathi. Someone tells me you look like from Bombay, from Delhi, from there, from here, from there, from everywhere. But no one exactly guesses from where I am. Like till date, no one has ever told me that I look like from. I look Assamese, that I look from Assam. You don't look like a studious girl. That's 100% correct. I've never been to studious girl. I've never been to studies. I like everything else except studying. I was never into studying, and I think everyone knows that. Even my parents do. Your videos are really entertaining. Keep up the good work. Thank you so much. I'm really trying my best to put up good videos and like just keep you guys entertained, because I kind of like really love doing this. And like since I started, I really didn't think that I would go this far with it. Like I did not think that I would actually keep on making videos every week. But once I started off with it was really fun. So now I'm like I'm really loving this. So yeah, thank you so much. I would definitely keep up with it. So yes, those were the assumptions made about me. I think most of the assumptions were correct. Like most of you guys assumed correct things about me. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love you guys a lot. So that was the assumption video, and please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, like this video, also comment on it, and also tell me what kinds of videos do you really want to see in my channel, on my channel more, so that I can do it in this pandemic. It's really tough to like be there, support each other, just stay strong, don't lose hope. Yeah, I think that's all. Bye.